WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank have your forecast for the next several days. And let's start off with today's and look back at Boston marathons over the last 10 years. Of course, you know what happened last year. Just an incredibly cold, terrible rain lasting just about all day long. Contrast that would happen in 2012 when we had incredible heat and humidity out there. So I think this time around we're looking for some pretty good conditions tomorrow. It's not going to be perfect by any means, and you're probably going to get wet if you're going to be a runner or you're going to be a spectator. If you get out there early, there's going to be rain around in the morning near or just before the race time starts. Well, anyway, today there won't be any rain until this evening when a few scattered showers break out. And there'll be a lot of cloudiness. At times it may break up a little bit to allow a few peaks of sunshine. But it should be fine at Fenway Park this afternoon as the clouds take over. Shouldn't be any rain there for that game as the temperature falls back a touch. A little bit of a sea breeze coming in from the ocean there. And then for tomorrow morning's game, first pitch 11:05. Looks like a mix of clouds and sunshine. And in the afternoon there could be a scattered shower going through. Should go up around 68 to 70 in the early to middle part of the afternoon. So both games should be able to get those in at Fenway Park. This afternoon's temperatures will start falling back from the lower 60s and maybe going into the upper 50s along the coast, while farther inland will go in the mid and upper 60s away from that ocean, in spite of the fact there isn't going to be a huge amount of sunshine. Highs today will range from, well, look at this, 36 in Chicago today. Kind of cold around the Great Lakes, but pretty warm and over the eastern seaboard. Some places along the eastern seaboard will be in the 80s, as we have this strong storm which has sent off and definitely generated a lot of severe weather in the last 24 hours, is still doing so here as it's moving through early this morning, a batch of strong storms near and through Atlanta, and we'll be approaching Augusta this afternoon. So that's why we do have the Masters on WBZ early this morning and into the afternoon to try to get that play in before that batch moves on. There's a lot of warm and humid air down here, and this weather front here is going to be lifting northward, and that muggy air is going to move in over us tonight, and tomorrow morning we'll have dew points rising into the upper 50s. These are the dew points, what we talk about a lot in the summertime, and when it does get well into the 50s and certainly close to 60, you're going to feel it. And tomorrow morning there's a shot that it could go to 60 to 64 here over much of eastern Massachusetts, and that's going to feel pretty humid as you get ready to run the race tomorrow. And then during the afternoon, the dryer is going to punch in from the west, and it's going to start drying out quite a bit during the afternoon. Now, here's the deal tomorrow morning. The present timing brings the rain right over the race course. Here we got about 7:30, so anywhere between, I'd say 6:30 or 7 to 8 o'clock to maybe 9, that rain is crossing the marathon course here, and then it will be moving out rather quickly. So by 10 o'clock, it's long gone. It's still kind of cloudy, but then some breaks of sunshine should take over. And during the afternoon, a few more scattered showers. Isolated ones will pop up in the middle part of the afternoon. There could be an isolated flash of lightning there. But whatever happens in the morning, some of that heavy rain may contain some lightning too. And at this point, it looks like the heaviest rain is going to be generated in an axis just south of Boston down across Rhode Island, where 1 inch or more rains could happen there, and less than an inch off to the north and west. But still could be some pretty good rains for a while over the race course tomorrow. So bear that in mind, but if it happens, right now the timing suggests it's going to be just prior to the race start. So light showers break out this evening. We'll get some showers overnight, maybe a few brief downpours. And as temperatures continue to rise overnight, by tomorrow morning they're going to be up around 60, and it's going to be very humid. There goes that wall of water going by. Around 9 o'clock, it should be away from us, and takes a little bit longer to exit Cape Cod and the islands. Looks like breaks of sunshine will send it well into the 60s, maybe 70 or higher in a few spots. In the afternoon, those scattered showers will break out, and they'll move away, and it'll dry out. And be a lot of wind, especially tomorrow afternoon. So here's my latest forecast thoughts about the Boston Marathon. Yes, tomorrow morning there's a risk of showers, and there could be some downpours containing some lightning crossing over the race course, hopefully near and before the race begins, with the wheelchair races starting around 9 o'clock. Very humid in the morning as well, but during the afternoon the dryer takes over, and spot just a few widely scattered showers are possible, and the sunshine will be out from time to time too. After 10 a.m., with the sunshine resulting, it should be 66 to 72 from late morning and certainly during the afternoon. The wind will be brisk, and it's a crosswind in the morning, and then it'll be becoming a tailwind in the afternoon. So we've got the humid air here in the morning. The wind is coming this way, so it's a crosswind from right to left as you go along the race course. Very humid in the morning, and then that humid air is going to disappear, go right out to sea, And as drier takes over, temperatures in the afternoon with a mix of clouds and sunshine, a changeable sky, will be up to 65 to 70. Tomorrow morning, the windiest will be over southeastern Mass and the Cape, and it will be brisk near the race course here, but during the morning it may slightly shift a little bit with that first batch of rain moving out. Then during the afternoon, the wind turns into the southeast and south again and starts freshening to 10 to 20 miles an hour. That second little batch of showers moves through by mid-afternoon, and then the wind gets pretty strong by late afternoon, so much so that the National Weather Service has a wind advisory up starting at 5 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, lasting till about 8 o'clock Tuesday morning, for the westerly winds of 15 to 25, but some gusts of 40 to 50. Here's your forecast now for the next 7 days. There it is, shaping up for your Boston Marathon for Patriots Day tomorrow. The rain's in the morning, most of it then, and then in the afternoon we get a few isolated scattered showers with a mix of sunshine, and it gets very windy later in the afternoon. Then windy still Tuesday morning, decreasing in the afternoon with sunshine, clouding over later Wednesday. Some showers may be here later Thursday, and then it looks like showers, warmer and more humid on Friday, and some heavy rain with very humid conditions on Saturday. Right now, the long-range outlook's calling for the chance of a couple of showers and hopefully better weather coming up for Easter Sunday next Sunday. That's it for now. Good luck to all the runners, and have a nice rest of the day.